Hello everyone, this is exercise 4.2 question number 3. Find two numbers whose sum is 27 and product is 182. Now two numbers they are saying. Let us consider first number be x. So here let first number be x. So second number will be 27 minus x. Don't write down x minus 27. It is 27 minus x. Right? First number is x. So definitely second number will become what? 27 minus x. Do you understand this one or not? Just see this one. First number plus the second number which is equal to 27. If first number is x, it will go this side and get subtracted. So second number becomes 27 minus x, right? So this way we are getting two numbers, first and second number. Now what they are saying? They say product of them is 182. So according to the condition, we'll write down x into 27 minus x, which is equal to 182. We'll do the product now. Therefore, 27x minus x square, which is equal to 182. We'll write down in a proper format now. Minus x square plus 27x. This 182 will bring this side minus 182, which is equal to 0. When we multiply the whole equation by minus 1, now the signs will get changed. So x square minus 27x plus 182, which is equal to 0. Now the product is 182 and sum is minus 27. We need to find out two numbers, right? So here directly we don't know. So I will write down the prime factors of 182. Here 2 9s are and 2 1s are. 13 7s are. So here 7 1s are 7. See, these are the prime factors of 182. Correct. Now here we have to rearrange and we have to get two numbers whose product is 182 and whose sum is minus 27. Correct? So here 13 is one number and 7 and 2, 14. Right? 7 2s are 14. 13 and 14. If you will add it, you are getting 27 and their product is 182. So directly I'll write down here x square minus 13x minus 14x plus 182, which is equal to 0. Now here I will take x common. So x minus 13 here minus 14 I will take common and x minus 13 here, which is equal to 0. Once you come to know that these two numbers are correct, so directly we can copy the same bracket here. Okay, without wasting our time. So here x minus 14 in one bracket and x minus 13 in the another bracket. We'll compare this one with 0 now, this one, and x minus 13, which is equal to 0. So the value of x comes as 14 and x which is equal to 13. Correct? So those numbers are what? 13 and 14. The last statement you will write down. Therefore those numbers are 13 and 14. Let us see the next one. Question number 4. Find two consecutive positive integers. See, here you have to pay attention. They are talking about two consecutive positive integers, the sum of whose squares is 365. Right? So let us consider the consecutive integers. So let first integer is x equal to x, you can write down, and second integer is equal to x plus 1. These are the consecutive integers. First is x, second is x plus 1. They are saying the sum of whose squares is 365. That means here x square plus x plus 1 bracket square, which is equal to 365. Now we'll make the square x square as it is. This one a plus b, the bracket square. We will use that identity here. So x square plus 2x plus 1, which is equal to 365. We'll bring this 365 this side, it will become negative. So 365 here, which is equal to 0. Now 2x square plus 2x minus 364, subtraction of these two numbers, which is equal to 0. If the equation is reducible, reduce it. See, all these numbers are divisible by 2, correct? So we'll divide the whole equation, or you can say on both the sides we'll divide by 2. So after dividing it by 2, we are getting x square plus x minus 2 1s are 8s are and 2s are, right? So the product is supposed to be minus 182 and sum supposed to be 1, correct? Here I'll write down. The product supposed to be minus 182 and sum supposed to be only 1. In the previous sum, we know the factors of 182. So from that you can say 14 and 13. What I will do? 14 minus 13, the sum is coming 1, and the product of 14 and minus 13, it comes as minus 182. So here I'll write down x square plus 14x minus 13x minus 182, which is equal to 0. So x I'll take common from the first two terms, x plus 14 here minus 13 in the bracket x plus 14, which is equal to 0. Remember, as I take negative sign here, so this sign will get changed. It was negative, it became positive, correct? Here. Now I will write x minus 13 in one bracket and x plus 14 in the another bracket, which is equal to 0. X minus 13, which is equal to 0, or x plus 14, which is equal to 0. So x which is equal to 13 and here x which is equal to minus 14. But in the statement, in that question, what they said? Two positive integers. So this one is negative. So this value will not be valid. So the first integer is 13 and next is x plus 1. It means that 14. So here I'll write down, therefore first integer which is equal to 13 and second integer which is equal to x plus 1, it means that 13 plus 1, which comes as 14, right? So these are the two integers. Let us go towards the another sum. This is question number 5. The altitude of a right triangle is 7 centimeter less than its base. So they are talking about the right angle triangle. So first, let us draw the right angle triangle here, this one. Okay. Now what they are saying? The altitude of a right triangle is 7 centimeter less than its base. We don't know the base. So let us consider this is the base, which is x, and altitude is less than it by 7 centimeter. So x minus 7 centimeter is the altitude. If the hypotenuse is 13 centimeter, this hypotenuse is 13 centimeter, find the other two sides. Okay. So we'll find out these altitude and base. As it is a right angle triangle, easily we can apply the Pythagoras theorem. So I will name this triangle as triangle A, B, C. So here I'll write down, in triangle A, B, C, let BC, which is equal to x centimeter, and AB, which is equal to x minus 7 centimeter. Then here, by Pythagoras theorem, I'll write down here x square plus x minus 7, the bracket square, which is equal to 13 square. X square as it is, x square minus 14x plus 49. We have used the identity a minus b, the bracket square identity, right? So 13 square is 169. Here we'll write down x square and x square became 2x square. This minus 14x as it is. This 49 and this 169, when it will come this side, it will become negative. So here plus 49 minus 169, which is equal to 0. Okay, so it becomes 2x square minus 14x minus, if we do the subtraction, it comes as 120, which is equal to 0. Now look at this equation here. All these numbers are divisible by 2. So we'll divide it by 2. So we get x square minus 7x minus 60, which is equal to 0. Now the product is minus 60 and sum is minus 7. So which are those two numbers? 12 5s are, so minus 12 plus 5. So minus 12 plus 5, addition comes as minus 7 and the product comes as minus 60. So here I'll write down x square minus 12x plus 5x minus 60, which is equal to 0. See, from the first two terms we'll take x common, x minus 12 plus. Now 5 I will take common, x minus 12, which is equal to 0. Now x plus 5 in one bracket, x minus 12 in the another bracket. X plus 5 equal to 0 or x minus 12 equal to 0. X is equal to minus 5 and x which is equal to 12. As x is negative, therefore this value is invalid and this value is valid, right? Now therefore base is equal to 12 centimeter and height, which is equal to x minus 7. It means that 12 minus 7, which comes as 5 centimeter. In this way we have completed 3 sums. I hope all of you understood these sums. Thank you.